instantly recognizable through its wide, commanding stance, carbon fiber highlights, and a tailor-made masterpiece leather interior. The BRABUS 700, based on Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II, is a rolling statement of modern, design-forward elegance. It was made to be seen. Every contour radiates the essence of haute performance. Every signature detail is unfiltered 1-second wow. A turbocharged 12-cylinder engine producing 700 horsepower makes this masterpiece a sanctuary for those who are ready to make the world their runway. This is timeless elegance. An era ahead. The newly developed BRABUS WIDESTAR widebody concept for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II redefines the supercar's presence with an undeniable BRABUS identity. Every component is produced from high-gloss exposed structure carbon fiber, perfectly matched to the vehicle's bespoke Cascade Gray paint finish for a look that radiates exclusivity from every angle. At the front, the BRABUS fascia with its distinctive design elements beneath the headlights and integrated lip spoiler gives the Cullinan an even more thrilling face. Integrated LED lighting creates a unique, instantly recognizable light signature, while the centrally positioned exposed carbon trim on the hood adds an extra touch of bold sophistication. With a peak output of 515 kilowatts/700 horsepower and a massive 950 Nm, 701 lb-ft, this transformation turns the British luxury SUV into a next-level BRABUS supercar. The BRABUS 700 accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 5.0 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour. The BRABUS 700 shown here features the BRABUS Monoblock M Platinum Edition, design in Cascade Gray. Created through the use of state-of-the-art forging and CNC machining processes, its striking 24-inch disc structure and matching black finish set a clear and concise statement, accentuating the supercar's aesthetic with an instantaneous 1-second wow effect. The BRABUS Sport Extra suspension module lowers the ultra-luxury SUV by up to 25 mm, 1 in. The BRABUS Sport Extra suspension module lowers the ride height of the BRABUS 700 by about 25 mm, 1 inch, and delivers further enhanced dynamic handling on the road. The bespoke BRABUS masterpiece interior of the BRABUS 700 is handcrafted in the BRABUS upholstery shop from the finest leather in the signature color verdant shadow, creating an atmosphere of pure exclusivity and comfort throughout the cockpit and the lavish rear cabin. The seat surfaces, the floors of the interior and trunk, as well as the inner sections of the door panels are finished in BRABUS shell quilting, applied with pinpoint precision. For enhanced comfort, the seats are precisely perforated to accommodate the integrated seat climate control. Embossed BRABUS BB logos and glazed design elements add subtle yet extravagant highlights.